morning children. Let us continue with the Pied Piper lesson. So last class already have learnt about how the rats were troubling the people of Hamelin. German, isn't it? And a strange person came to the mayor and he said, I will just chase the rats out. And he is only called as the Pied Piper. So his dressing also is totally different from others. So what he did, finally he started playing his pipe. When he started playing his pipe, what happens with the tune? All the rats from everybody's house came out and started moving along with this Pied Piper. So we will continue with this now. The piper walked through the town, blowing the pipe, followed by the procession of rats. So what he started doing? He started moving through the town, and along with him who went? All the rats also went. He finally stopped near a river, but the rats ran on and fell into the river. They all drowned. So what did Pied Piper do? He just went on and finally where did he go? He went to a river, near a river, and he started playing there. But what happened to the rats? Rats also followed him, isn't it? And they also went near the river, and one by one, what happened? They all started falling into the river, and finally what happened? All the rats were drowned. The people of Hamelin were thrilled. So they were so happy because they were rid of this rats which were troubling them so much. They thanked the piper, but when the piper asked the mayor for his 1,000 gold coins, he said, "Oh no, I was not serious." So what happened? Now people were so happy because they were all away from the rats. So they thanked Pied Piper. Finally what happened? Pied Piper went and asked for his reward. What was the amount he had asked? He had asked for 1,000 gold coins, isn't it? So when he went to mayor and asked for 1,000 gold coins, because he has already taken away the rats. But what did mayor say? "Oh no, I was not serious." He said, no, I was not serious. Just like that when you asked, I agreed. But I was not serious about giving you 1,000 gold coins. Take these 10 gold coins and go. What did mayor say? No, I cannot give 1,000 gold coins. I just casually told you. But now, you can take this 10 gold coins and leave this place. Excuse me. The piper was angry and warned him. So what did the piper do? The piper was so angry because he had asked for 1,000 gold coins. But how much did he get? He got only 10 gold coins. So the piper was angry and warned the mayor. The mayor just laughed. He never took it seriously at all. He just laughed. The piper stepped into the street again, and this time he played a soft tune. So the piper stepped into the street again, and this time he played a soft tune on his pipe. So what he started doing? He started playing a soft tune. Earlier it was some rough tune, isn't it? Now he started just playing a soft tune. All the children of the town came out and followed the piper. So what happened now? The children started coming out of the houses and they started following the piper, laughing, dancing and singing up on a high hill. So what did the children do? The children all followed the piper and they were all laughing, they were dancing, they were singing, and they were all there on a high hill. All the children along with Pied Piper was on a high hill. A magic door on the side of the hill opened and the piper walked in with all the children. So what happened when they went to the hill? There what happened? A magic door was there on the side of the hill. A magic door. What did happen? The door just opened, and then what happened? The piper went inside this magic door. Along with the piper who went? All the children also went into through the magic door, they went inside. The door shut once more. After everybody got inside, what happened? The door got shut. Only one child returned to the town. He was lame and could not run as fast as the other children. So when all the children went inside to that magic room, what happened? But only one child returned back to the town, Hamelin town. Why the child could not go inside? Because the child was lame. Lame means the child was handicapped. challenge child, which could not make up the speed with other children. So finally what happened, when all the children went, this child was left alone, so the child came back to the town. Then what happened? When the children's parents heard his story, they went to the mayor and shouted at him. So what happened? This child came and narrated all the story, what all had happened. So when the parents came to know that their children are missing, what happened? They rushed to the mayor and they started shouting at mayor. So what happened? Mayor had learnt his lesson. When all these parents started shouting at mayor, mayor understood, oh, it is my fault. I should have not done this mistake. So he understood that he has done wrong. He went to the hill and called out the piper and gave him a bag with 70,000 gold coins and told him to bring back the children. Actually, how much he had asked? He has asked for the 1,000 gold coins, isn't it? But now, mayor wanted all the children to come back to their houses, isn't it? So finally, what did mayor do? Mayor offered him how much? 70,000 gold coins, and he just pleaded, piper, please bring all our children back to the town. Soon the door opened and out came the children laughing and dancing. So when he promised that he will give that much, what happened? All the children, they came out of this magic room along with the piper. How did they come out? They all started laughing and dancing. They all reached home safely. So what happened now? The parents also were waiting outside, isn't it? So all the parents took their children and everybody came home safely. They were very happy. So they came home safely. The piper left Hamelin and was never seen again. So what did the piper do? He just left this place, Hamelin, and he went away and he was not seen to that place again. Okay. Then the people of Hamelin lived happily ever after. Why? Because what was rid of now? There were no rats to trouble them. So what happened? The parents also were very happy. People of this Hamelin were very happy. Along with the children, they also lived happily. So this was written by John Wolfgang von Goethe. So he is the author of this lesson. Once you can see here the glossary. Unable means not able to. Piper, one who played a musical pipe. Queer means strange. Procession means a large crowd. Thrilled, extremely happy and delighted. Lame, unable to walk due to physical handicap. To chase away means to get rid of. So you have to know about the meanings of this. So let me continue in the next class.